Welcome, friends. Today, we are doing another unboxing video. Marvelous. That is right, my friends. Once again, I have returned to you with another unboxing video. How fun. Now, today, I have two fragrances to unbox. And one of them is a backup, and one of them is a fragrance I have wanted to pick up for years and years. So, let us start with the backup fragrance. And it's not a normal backup fragrance, okay? And the fragrance I have decided to back up is Melt My Heart by Strangelove. Okay, so this is not a cheap fragrance. I think at retail it's like 760 quid for 100ml, which is what this is. It was released in 2016 by Strangelove, New York City, and the perfumer was Christophe Laudermiel. Now, I first smelled this last year, and this was close to my number one pickup of the year. I can't remember what number one was now. Excuse me whilst I hydrate. But the creative director was Helena Christensen, and I loved it. I still love it. It's chocolate, it's iris, it's oud, it's warm, it's ambery, it's a little bit earthy. It's fabulous. And this is the full presentation, and it was sealed, and I got it for nearly 1/3 of the nearly 1/3 of the asking price, actually. This one has the gold cap, which is fun. The other one I bought was a tester. Not sure the writing is supposed to be as transparent as that. Is it not meant to be black? Let's have a look. Let's have a smell. That's the most important thing. If anybody knows about these or anything like that, let me know. I mean, it really does smell like it, and that is hard to replicate because of the sheer volume of stuff in it, you know. I will spray that on and I will let it percolate. Yeah, that's the shit, like. So that is what I backed up. Very happy with that. Got to get them at a good price. Don't pay retail for that stuff. Excuse me whilst I hydrate. Okay. And next, the brand new fragrance, which I have wanted to pick up for a long time, and I eventually did, is, you probably already know because I'm going to put it in the title, it's Tom Ford's Noir de Noir. How fantastic. This is quite similar to Melt My Heart, actually. So that's intriguing, isn't it? Both chocolatey, both warm, sweet, ambery. Excuse me, sorry. I unwrapped this first because I didn't want it to make the crinkly sound. This is not an ASMR channel, not yet. Although people have suggested it. So, let us unbox it, shall we? There she blow. There's a bit of a mark on the box, which is why I think this has been sold off cheap to a discounter on eBay. It's got that mark there, can you see it? Just there. that is the back. That's the back of the bottle, if you're interested in the backs of bottles. This is the front of the bottle, if you're interested in the front. Comes with the normal Tom Ford goodness. I'm smelling that melt my heart, and I'm not sure how I feel about that, actually. I will have to investigate further. I don't know if I think that's... I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, Noir de Noir. Chocolate and roses. It's meant to be like the ultimate Valentine's Day fragrance. But that's not why I've bought it. That's not why I have bought it. I could smell it as soon as I open the box as well, by the way. The batch code is A46. Oh, there it is. Made by Olivia Cresp. Saffron, black rose, truffle, floral notes. It's got some floral notes in here, Lily. Patchouli, vanilla, agar wood, and oak moss. It's very early Tom Ford. This is one of the original private blends. It's still available. It's beautiful. It really is fantastic. It's dark. It's a little bit rosy. It's a little bit sweet. It's a little bit spicy. It's a little bit ambery, chocolatey. Awesome. Absolutely beautiful. And that is it, my friends. This has been my unboxing for today. I will see you all again soon. Bye.